Ndewo. Hi everyone, you are welcome to Ndewo channel. My name is Okata Ugoshi, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you Igbo alphabet. In Igbo alphabet is called Abịdịị Igbo. Such as English has their own alphabet, we Igbo individuals have our own alphabet. In Igbo language, our alphabet is 36. Isii, 36. In some of our letters, you will find out that it is two, like two letters in one, and we pronounce it as a one letter. And some of our letters, you will also find out that we have dots at the up and also have dots at the bottom. So let's go there. You will understand the sounds in this teaching. You will also use the example I'm going to give you to pronounce them very well. So let's start. Bido. Just as I said earlier, in this teaching, in this video, you are going to be learning our alphabet, the sounds, how to use examples to pronounce the sounds. Okay, let's start. It's very, very simple. So we are going to start with A, Aka, Aka, A, Aka, Bo, 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 Bata, Bo, Bata, Chi, 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 Chere, Chere, Chi, Chere, Chi, Chere, Di, 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 Efere, Efere, Efere. Bo, Bo, Gote, Go, Gote, Bo, Bo, Baza, Bo, Baza, He, 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 Bo, Bo, Go, Go, He, Hizie, Hizie, Ibola, Ibola. Diabo. Ki, computer. Ki, computer. Bi, kpakpando. Bi, kpakpando. Kworo. Kworo. Leanya. Leanya. Mma. Nne. Ṅụọ mmiri. Nwi, nwata. Nwi, nwata. Nye aka. Nye aka. Odogwu. Odogwu. Ọjị. Ọjị. Piano. Piano. Rie. Si, sụọ. Si, suo, shi, shie, shie, ti, toro, ube, ogo, v, voice, 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 wunye, wunye, yi, yabasị, za. B, she, de, e, fi, gi, wi, he, wi, hi, i, je, ke, be, kwe, li, mi, ni, nga, nwi, nyi, o, pe, ri, si, shi, ti, u, o. V, we, ni, zi. Thank you. You learned it well and you pronounce it well. Okay, this will bring to the end of this wonderful video. I hope you learned something. So from the examples I gave here, you can be able to pronounce our Igbo alphabet. That is Abịdịị Igbo. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. And if you can share this video to your friends, your relatives, to learn more about Igbo. Coordinate. Bye bye.